Today we're discussing 5 reasons why your pictures suck, and of course how to improve them. Let's go! Welcome back, guys. Thanks so much for joining me once again. And yeah, today we're talking about 5 reasons why your pictures kind of suck, or maybe you're not improving in the ways that you want to be. So we're going to be going over all that stuff today. Hopefully this video helps you out. And to celebrate, guys, it's kind of a big one. It's my 100th video. Yeehaw! So if you've been supporting me up to this point, I really appreciate it if you are a subscriber. And if you're not and you do enjoy this content or this video, maybe consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Anyways, let's dive in. Number 1, you're comparing yourself to others. Stop. There's no point in comparing yourself to others. It's literally completely 100% irrelevant to compare yourself to another human or another artist when it comes to this, because it's just that, it's an art form. Nobody sees the world through your eyes the way that you do, and nobody can express life or art in the way that you do. So stop comparing yourself to other people. It could be a 40-year veteran or somebody that's newer that sees the world differently. And if you're comparing them, you can get down because you're not allowing yourself to create your own art and develop yourself to a place that you visualize yourself being. It does take time. And yeah, that's my first tip. Stop comparing yourself to others. Number 2, and yeah, you've heard it before, learn your gear. Whether you're shooting on a phone camera or a crappy little DSLR, it doesn't matter. You can take amazing photos with pretty much any camera. And learning your capabilities, learning what that thing can do before you go ahead and upgrade to something that's way out of your league, I really suggest just learning with what you have. It's going to save you money and make you better in the long run. So absolutely learn your gear. Don't worry about what other people are shooting with or what the YouTube videos say you have to be a great photographer. It's just not the case. Learn your gear, the stuff that you have, and go from there. That's my second tip. Number 3, up your editing game. Pretty much every photo you see, especially the ones that are absolutely insane, have been edited so dramatically, so much that they're not even recognizable from the original photo. And you have to understand this. No photo you take is gonna look exactly straight out of camera that all these pictures that you're looking at actually do. With the amount of editing, the filters, the AI programs these days, the composites, there's so many factors that are gonna change an image so dramatically that you won't even recognize it from the original. So if you really wanna take your photos to the next level, learn an editing software, whether it's Photoshop or Lightroom or Luminar. There's a million out there. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. It doesn't matter. Just pick one and go with it. Your pictures will improve. The 4th reason your pictures suck, you're not being creative. If you take the same picture every time, if you're literally at the same perspective every single time, you're gonna get the same results. So push the boundaries, get out of your comfort zone, and take different pictures of the same subject. Move to the left, move to the right, shoot through things, shoot from a different perspective. Look what other people are doing, be inspired, and put your own spin on it. But if you're not being creative, you're gonna get stagnant. And stagnation is gonna lead to burnout or boredom, and you're gonna give it up. So be creative. Just for fun, here's a few of my favorite pictures that I've taken over the last year or so. Hopefully they give you some inspiration or some ideas. I hope you like them. And number 5, you're just not taking enough pictures. That's right. Someone once told me that your first 10,000 pictures are going to be garbage. And I kind of agree with that, but I think it's more like 100,000. For me personally, when I look back and I look at my progress day after day, month after month, year after year, and look back to where I was and where I am now, and that's motivating. That can see where you've grown, what you've learned, and that's just a great way to grow as an artist and to see where you're gonna go and what you wanna be. So there you go. Get out there, take 100,000 pictures, and I guarantee you when you look back from the first one to the 100,000th one, you're gonna see a big improvement. Take more pictures. So there it is. There's 5 reasons why your pictures might be sucking, in your opinion, of course. And what I think or what anybody else thinks doesn't matter anyways. So I hope this kind of made sense to you. I hope you got something out of this video. If you did, maybe consider hitting that like and subscribe button. Drop your questions and comments down below, guys. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you in the next one.